fireworks, bonfires, penny for a guy burning a big effigy of a person. That sounds a bit weird. It's Guy Fawkes night. I've always known as fireworks night, because that's mostly what people do. Guy Fawkes night is essentially celebrating the execution of somebody that tried to blow up Parliament in the 1600s by burning an effigy of him on a big bonfire and setting off some fireworks. Now usually all over the UK people will be doing fireworks displays either on the 5th of November, which is the actual day, or the nearest Saturday to it, which I'm recording this on the 4th because this year the 4th is the nearest Saturday to the 5th. And so we were thinking we might go to a nearby, there's one we went to last year at a nearby village that was really good, and they did choreographed fireworks to music. And then I was on my way home because I was working today, and the weather wasn't great. I mean, the rain has stopped now, but, well, it's drizzling, but it was really heavy earlier. And so we need to decide if we're still going to go, because if we are, we're going to leave like in half an hour. So the question is, do we want to go stand in a wet field getting rained on and pay about £18 for the privilege to watch some fireworks and a bonfire? What do you say, Em?
No.
Do we want to go stand in a wet field and get rained on and pay £18 for the privilege?
With a 2-year-old?
With a 2-year-old?
Not really.
No, we're probably going to stay at home. Which makes the celebration of this day a bit mute. But hey, we went to some fireworks a couple of weeks ago. Didn't take my camera, so didn't get any pictures of it, or video of it. But we have been to fireworks a few weeks ago. I don't know why the school across the road was doing them a couple of weeks ago, but they were, and they were very good, and it wasn't raining. So we have had our fireworks fix this year. Did you go stand out in the cold? Let me know in the comments below, and maybe I'll pick up some sparklers when I go shopping tomorrow, and actually maybe tomorrow evening we can just wave some sparklers around. That will be our celebration. If I did do that, I will put that video now. There you go. I either did or didn't do that. I don't know yet. Let's find out. Thank you for watching, and I will be back again with another festivity tomorrow. Goodbye.